Welcome to this lecture, which is based on alter statement in SQL. What is the purpose of alter statement? Alter table statement is used to add, modify, or drop columns in a table. Add one or more columns in a database table. Modify column in a table or drop a column in the table. To add a column in a table, use the following syntax. Database name is test_SQL. Table name is student. Let's suppose column name is date of birth. Data type is varchar 30. Go to console, press Ctrl plus enter, go to database, student, structure. Look at here, there is no date of birth column is here. Press Ctrl plus enter, student, structure, DOB column added successfully. New query, test SQL, tables, go to design. Look at here, there is no DOB column. Select the test SQL database from the combo box or drop down list. Check the query, execute the query, and go to the design again. Design and just close it, refresh. Design, DOB added successfully. To delete a column in a table, use the following syntax. Database name and table name. Drop column, column name is DOB. Copy it, clear console, execute the statement, go to structure, select student table, structure, there is no DOB column. Go to structure, paste it here, remove the database name, check the query, execute the query, select design, there is no DOB column. To change the data type of a column in a table, use the following syntax. Data type, column name is phone, data type is text, table name and database name, copy it, go to console, execute the query, student, structure, and data type changed successfully. change it with varchar 30, execute the command, student table, go to structure and look at here. Remove database name because already selected. Change the modify keyword with alter, column font text, check the query and execute the query. Go to design, font data type is changed. The last one statement is the truncate table syntax. What if we only want to delete the data inside the table and not the table itself? Then use the truncate table statement. Just database name and table name, copy the SQL query, clear it, open student table. Look at here, there are 3 records. Execute the query. Okay, executed successfully. There is no record in the table. Right click here, select data. There are 3 rows in the table. You can change query, remove database name, execute the query. First check the query, there is no error, execute the query. If you refresh it, press F5 or click here, execute, there is no record in the table. Alter statement, but by using GUI. So go to test GUI, open student table, go to structure. You can select multiple columns or single column. In case of multiple column, click here and you can change or update only one column by clicking here, action, change link. So font length 30, you can change data type by using this combo box. You can change name, click save button for update. Look at here, varchar 30. You can rename the table, go to operations, select the table and go to the operations, students, table student has been renamed to students. Open SQL Server Management Studio, test GUI, tables, design. Let's suppose change the data type, length 50, data type is varchar, press Ctrl plus save. Warning, so go to tools, options, Designer, select designer, prevent saving change that require table recreation. Uncheck this option, OK, and then press Ctrl plus save S. You can change the theme. Go to environment, select light, or you can add a new column by using GUI. The column name is city varchar 50 and save it. Same here, students, go to structure, add one column after father name, go, new column name is city varchar and length is 50. Click on save button, new column created successfully. Go to students table, city column is added successfully. So thank you for watching this video.